The frigid water around the Bahamas hides an unexplainable secret, something that defies the very essence of logic. Over the years, many have explored the region, searching for clues. They've discovered ancient coral formations resembling geometric shapes, mysterious structures that seem inexplicably man-made, and most bafflingly, signs of sophisticated construction. These structures are as straight as if built with the aid of modern machinery, truly perplexing. In a blink, entire nations disappeared beneath the waves, and some believe they vanished into a place known as Atlantis. Could these underwater formations in the Bahamas be the remnants of the legendary Atlantis? Picture yourself scuba diving down into crystal-clear waters. As you descend, the sunlight fades, giving way to an eerie stillness. Suddenly, your flashlight cuts through the darkness, revealing a structure made from massive stones. Each rock monolith stands as tall as a 5-story building. They're so perfectly aligned that there isn't even a hairline crack between them. But that's not the most mind-boggling part. Etched into the stones are patterns so intricate they resemble nothing found in any natural formation. Are these markings evidence left behind by an ancient civilization, or are they merely figments of our imagination? According to Plato, Atlantis was a powerful maritime empire situated in the Atlantic Ocean. He claimed it boasted grand palaces, bustling marketplaces, and imposing defensive walls. He also described its people as intelligent, highly cultured, and possessing extensive knowledge of mathematics and astronomy. In his narrative, Atlantis enjoyed a golden age, flourishing for several generations before succumbing to corruption and hubris. But rather than learn from their mistakes, the Atlanteans chose war, leading to divine retribution. Overnight, the mighty Atlantis sank into the sea. Some believed it was wiped off the face of the earth forever. However, others theorized that it simply slid beneath the waves, hiding somewhere in the watery depths. But what if we were to stumble upon the truth? Let's dive deeper into this underwater mystery and uncover the untold stories hidden within the silent depths. Today, I want to embark on a journey with you. Imagine being on board a state-of-the-art research vessel. We'll set sail across the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean to explore the coordinates Plato mentioned in his description of Atlantis. With cutting-edge sonar technology, we'll scan the ocean floor, hoping to find structures that defy explanation. As the sun rises, casting its golden rays upon the rolling waves, our search intensifies. And then suddenly, our sonar detects a large anomaly. The readings indicate a massive, perfectly circular formation lying dormant beneath the ocean's surface. As we approach the site, our hearts pound with anticipation. The closer we get, the more intriguing details emerge. This isn't just a random rock formation. No, this bears the hallmarks of human ingenuity. But our investigation doesn't end there. We venture further, uncovering a series of passages carved into the ocean floor. They form a kind of underground labyrinth, hinting at a vast network hidden beneath the waves. The walls around us are adorned with cryptic symbols and hieroglyphic inscriptions. What secrets do these ancient markings hold? Could they be the key to deciphering the Atlanteans' way of life? As we navigate the labyrinth's twists and turns, we begin to piece together a glimpse of the Atlantean civilization. The knowledge we're uncovering has the potential to rewrite history as we know it. Imagine the collective gasp that echoes across the globe as the world witnesses the unveiling of these long-lost secrets. The implications are staggering. Imagine the impact on fields like archaeology, history, and even philosophy. Our understanding of human civilization is about to be turned on its head. As we continue to probe deeper, we come across a vast chamber adorned with breathtaking murals. The paintings depict scenes from daily life, showcasing the grandeur of Atlantean society. There are images of their grand buildings, their bustling ports, and their advanced technologies. But it's the people in these murals that captivate us the most. Their clothing, their hairstyles, and their expressions all paint a vivid picture of a culture unlike any we've seen before. And then we spot something extraordinary. Among the bustling crowds, we see individuals who don't quite fit in. Their features are different, their clothing is strange, and their posture is oddly familiar. Are these figures evidence of contact with extraterrestrial beings? Could the Atlanteans have interacted with visitors from distant galaxies, exchanging knowledge and ideas that were far ahead of their time? The implications of such a discovery are truly mind-boggling. As we ponder these questions, we realize we're standing on the precipice of rewriting history. But our journey doesn't end there. Hidden in the recesses of the chamber, we discover a series of tablets. They're inscribed with a language that seems to be a precursor to many modern languages. As we decipher the script, we uncover a trove of information. These tablets detail the history of the Atlanteans, their societal norms, their scientific advancements, and even their eventual demise. One particular passage stands out, hinting at a cataclysmic event that caused the destruction of their empire. But what exactly led to their downfall? Some believe it was a natural disaster, perhaps a massive earthquake, or a tsunami that caused their empire to sink into the ocean. Others believe it was the result of human actions, pointing to tales of war and environmental degradation. But as we delve deeper into the tablet's teachings, we find something else. The Atlanteans, it seems, were keenly aware of the planet's delicate balance. They understood the consequences of unchecked power and the importance of living in harmony with nature. Could their downfall have been a cautionary tale, a warning to future generations about the dangers of greed and environmental exploitation? As we reflect on this sobering thought, we realize that the Atlanteans weren't just an advanced civilization. They were a civilization that understood the interconnectedness of all life and the need for balance in the universe. Their story becomes a reminder for us in the present day to tread lightly on the earth and respect the natural world that sustains us. But now, let's shift our focus to the global reaction as news of our discovery spreads like wildfire. Governments scramble to respond, each nation vying for a piece of this historical pie. Diplomatic tensions rise as countries debate ownership rights. Is Atlantis a shared heritage of all humankind, or a prize to be claimed by the victor in this global chess match? The stage is set for a diplomatic showdown. Scientists from around the world converge on the site, eager to contribute to this groundbreaking discovery. They form teams, each bringing their unique expertise in archaeology, marine biology, and geology. The race is on to understand the implications of what we've found. But the scientific community isn't the only one clamoring for attention. As news of the discovery reaches the public, the world erupts in excitement. Social media explodes with theories and debates. People from all walks of life are united in their curiosity. The potential economic impact of Atlantis is staggering. Governments see the potential for revenue generation through tourism and research. Private investors pour in funds, hoping to capitalize on the excitement surrounding this historic find. But amid the excitement, there's a darker undercurrent. Rumors swirl of black market dealings and grave robbing. The thought of priceless artifacts falling into the wrong hands sends a chill down our spines. In the midst of this chaos, historians work tirelessly to piece together the larger narrative. They pore over ancient texts, seeking corroborating evidence of Atlantean existence. They analyze the tablets we uncovered, looking for clues to unlock the mysteries of their culture. But it's the archaeologists who get to work immediately, carefully excavating the site. They unearth layer after layer of history, each artifact telling a new chapter in the Atlantean saga. As they unearth more about Atlantean society, a sense of wonder fills their hearts. The Atlanteans, it seems, were masters of their environment, living in harmony with nature and harnessing its power for their benefit. They had a deep understanding of astronomy and used it to guide their agricultural practices. They developed advanced medical techniques, and their art and architecture were unparalleled. But as the excavation continues, the team uncovers something they weren't expecting. Beneath the grandeur and sophistication, there were signs of struggle. They found evidence of battles, tales of displacement, and accounts of a people on the brink of collapse. With each new discovery, the Atlanteans become more real, more human. We see their strengths, their innovations, and their dreams, but we also see their flaws, their conflicts, and their struggles. As the sun sets over the horizon, casting long shadows over the excavation site, we find ourselves at a pivotal moment. The secrets of Atlantis are being revealed, reshaping our understanding of history and our place in the cosmos. The world watches with bated breath as each new finding is brought to light. Now it's our turn to carry the torch of discovery and exploration forward. So, my friends, as we stand at the dawn of a new era of exploration, let us embrace the unknown with open arms and hearts. If you've enjoyed our explorations into the depths of Atlantis, don't forget to hit subscribe for more captivating adventures. And as always, keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep dreaming big, because the world is full of wonders just waiting to be discovered. Until next time, keep seeking the extraordinary.